Railways are more than infrastructure. They connect industries, cities, and people, driving the mobility of tomorrow. Behind every railway system, there is precision, reliability, and engineering excellence. This is where LEAS Railway makes the difference. LEAS Railway is the division of LEAS specialized in advanced automatic welding plants and automation systems for the railway industry. We develop fully automated solutions designed to guarantee consistent quality, repeatability, and full process control. From single welding stations to integrated production lines, every system is built to optimize efficiency while meeting the highest industry standards. By combining mechanical engineering, automation, robotics, and advanced control technologies, we create customized solutions tailored to the needs of each customer. Because in railway welding, quality is not just a requirement, it is a responsibility. LEAS Railway, engineering the technology behind tomorrow's railways.